Okay, so here's morning in Ao Nang, outside of Krabi. So looks like a lot of people are wading into these boats, so they booked some kind of island trip. So go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I think they mostly have day bags. So sometimes, people can take like large bags and are going to go somewhere much further. But basically they're all climbing into these boats. So they have their luggage and they have, not their luggage, sorry, their day pass. And there's also just general people just doing fishing. Probably bringing in some fish to the restaurants and stuff like that. Probably every single one has a different story, right? And then way down there, it's going into the water there. And there it looks like they have their suitcases with them. Tour group, maybe. So this is part of Ao Nang. Then we're going to go all the way down here slowly so that it doesn't look too jaded. Then way down there, there's people that are walking all the way down the beach down to that end. So I don't know why they like it down there, but I guess it's somewhere going into the water. Okay. And over here you have these big giant limestone cliffs. So this is basically Ao Nang in the morning. Got somebody coming in kind of fast over here. Looks like he's late for work or something. He's slowing down a little bit. What flag is that? That's how you turn the boats, I guess. Just parks in there like a champ. Another one goes out. All right, Ao Nang. I didn't get enough.
Chiquinha,